proclamations. The first is for the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Ms. Howard.
I think someone might want to. I have the second one of one.
This is Mr. Somerville.
Yes, okay. Mr. Somerville, you're doing the first one.
Proclamation.
Go ahead.
Whereas Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the population of these Africans increased as chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and whereas these Africans began to engage with and in some instances created families with indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands and Low Country of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida to stand on their human rights to self-determination. And whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas they elected an installed St. Helena Island native whose family roots also stem from Palawana and Dauta Islands, Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head de pun de body and spokesperson for Gullah Geechee since July 2nd, 2000. And whereas the 20th anniversary of Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme #Gullah Geechee 2020. And whereas we support the continuation of Gullah Geechee cultural heritage and sustainability of Gullah Geechee Nation. And now therefore it be resolved that Beaufort County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July 25 to August 1, 2020 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all our citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Gullah Geechee 2020, seeing we Kutcha clearly via virtual events and support of Gullah Geechee businesses and institutions. Signed this day, 8th of June, Joseph W. Passavant Jr., Beaufort County Council Chair.
Excellent.
Mr. Passavant,
Yes.
Queen Quet is actually on the line to say a few words to receive it.
Absolutely. Queen, would you like to
Surely. Surely.
go right ahead?
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Councilman Somerville, for reading that. Yeti some mobile gullah and thing like that, Councilman, so the Hunter can get that thing right. So he's so glad for Yeti you tried though. So it's very good after all these years of having this proclamation presented to hear our Councilman Somerville practicing his Gullah. We're going to teach him some more though, especially during Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. We hope to teach the whole county some more. And I thank you all for doing this. This is really interesting because I'm so used to standing next to him and hearing this and being able to hold it in my hands. So I can't wait to get a copy in our hands. But definitely we would love for all of you to participate. We're going to have a number of online activities due to the coronavirus, of course. And we're going to also, of course, encourage people to continue to go out and support Gullah Geechee businesses, which we do still have here in our county, fortunately. And we pray that even through this pandemic, that they survive and we continue to thrive. So definitely, I know you all take off July, but that's a good time to celebrate with us, right? We be down young and thing like that. And also after that, I pray that I'll be able to engage with the county once again. I've been chairing the St. Helena Community Court, our CP District Committee here in St. Helena, which was to expand to our CPO District Committee. And we definitely want to engage with you in the interest of justice for our county. So we would love to help form a citizens panel here for Beaufort County to really deal with the racial injustices, the police issues, and various things that can help our county just get better and better as the time goes on. So please continue to call on me about these issues so that we can all definitely live in a place that we call beautiful Beaufort by the sea. And the beauty is when we celebrate all cultures and communities and we have equality and equity and justice for true. So thank you to all of you for all that you do. And I appreciate you inviting me tonight.
Great, thank you so much.